Have you ever wondered what are the largest trains in the world? Now, that's a question that can spark the imagination, isn't it? Trains, these massive machines, have been a symbol of human ingenuity and progress for centuries. They are feats of engineering that have transformed the way we travel and transport goods, and they come in all shapes and sizes. In this video, we're setting off on a journey to explore the largest trains on this planet. And when we say largest, we're not just talking about length, we're considering the weight, the power, the sheer magnitude of these iron beasts. We're going to traverse continents, delve into different industries, and even venture into the skies. Yes, you heard that right, the skies. We're starting in the dusty landscapes of Australia, moving to the industrial heartlands of Belarus, taking flight in Ukraine, chugging along the historical tracks in the United States, and finally, journeying across the vast expanses of Russia. We'll be counting down from number 5 to the absolute largest, the king of all trains. And along the way, we'll be learning some fascinating facts about these mechanical marvels. We'll find out what makes them so unique, what they're used for, and just how they manage to be so, well, big. But we're not just sticking to the traditional definition of trains. No, we're pushing the boundaries. We're including in our list a massive mining dump truck and even the largest cargo aircraft in the world. Why, you ask? Well, because size matters and these giants definitely deserve a mention. So, are you ready to embark on this exciting journey? Ready to marvel at these incredible machines? To appreciate the ingenuity and craftsmanship that goes into creating such massive feats of engineering? To understand the role they play in our world and how they contribute to the economies of their respective countries? Great! We're thrilled to have you on board. So buckle up as we start our journey with the 5th largest train in the world. Starting off our list at number 5, we have the BHP Billiton iron ores ES44ACi locomotives from Australia. Imagine a train so long and so heavy that it stretches almost as far as the eye can see. This isn't a scene from a science fiction movie, but a daily reality in the vast, sun-drenched landscapes of Western Australia. Here, the BHP Billiton iron ores ES44ACi locomotives rule the rails, transporting iron ore in a display of engineering prowess and sheer power. These locomotives are designed by none other than General Electric, a name synonymous with reliability and innovation. The model, ES44ACi, may sound like a cryptic code to the uninitiated, but to train enthusiasts, it tells a story of advanced technology and impressive capability. The ES stands for Evolution Series, representing GE's commitment to continually improving and evolving their locomotive designs. The 44 inches signifies the horsepower rating in hundreds, while the AC denotes alternating current, the type of electrical system used. The I is for international, a nod to the global reach of these powerful machines. What sets these iron giants apart is their ability to operate some of the longest and heaviest trains in the world. Their primary task is to transport iron ore, a vital resource in our modern world, from the mines of Western Australia to the ports, where it's shipped to various parts of the globe. It's a demanding job, requiring immense power and endurance. But these locomotives are more than up to the task, each one boasting a horsepower rating of 4,400. Their immense length, often stretching over 2 kilometers, combined with their heavyweight cargo, makes these trains a sight to behold. But it's not just about size and weight. These locomotives are also designed with efficiency and sustainability in mind, featuring systems that reduce fuel consumption and emissions. A truly impressive locomotive, isn't it? But let's move on to our number 4. Coming in at number 4, we have the BelAZ 75710 from Belarus. Now, you might be thinking, wait a minute, that's not a train. And you'd be right, but the BelAZ 75710 isn't just any vehicle. It's a gargantuan mining dump truck that's used in some of the most demanding mining operations around the world. This beast from Belarus is an absolute titan in the industrial vehicles sector. Picture, if you will, a machine so massive, it makes other heavy-duty trucks look like toy cars. That's the BelAZ 75710 for you. The sheer size of this vehicle is hard to fathom. It's not just one of the largest dump trucks in the world, it's the largest by a considerable margin. It stands taller than a 3-story building and is longer than 2 buses end to end. Now that's a lot of truck. But the BelAZ 75710 isn't just about size, it's also about performance. This mega truck boasts an impressive payload capacity, able to haul hundreds of tons of earth and rock in a single load. That's equivalent to carrying around a small building. And let's not forget about its power. The BelAZ 75710 is driven by two diesel engines, each delivering a mind-boggling horsepower that allows this behemoth to move at speeds you wouldn't believe for a vehicle of its size. So why is it on our list of largest trains? Well, the BelAZ 75710, with its colossal size and power, is often considered in discussions about large industrial vehicles. It's a testament to human ingenuity and the quest for bigger, better, more efficient machines. While it may not run on tracks or whistle through stations, the BelAZ 75710 is a giant in its own right. It's a symbol of the monumental tasks we as humans can accomplish when we put our minds to it. It's not a train in the traditional sense, but it's too massive to ignore. Now let's fly to our number 3. Our number 3 is not a train, but it's worth mentioning due to its enormous size and capacity. We're talking about the Antonov An-225 Mriya from Ukraine. The Antonov An-225 Mriya is a titan in the world of aviation, a colossal testament to human engineering. When it comes to size and weight, nothing else in the sky can quite compete with this Ukrainian behemoth. Unlike our previous entrants on this list, the An-225 is not a train, but rather the largest cargo aircraft in the world. This gigantic bird was designed during the dying days of the Soviet Union for an extraordinary purpose: to transport the Buran space shuttle on its back. But with the collapse of the USSR, the Buran program was scrapped, and the An-225 found a new role as a commercial cargo transporter. With a wingspan wider than a football field and 6 turbofan engines, the An-225 can carry an astounding 250 metric tons of cargo. That's equivalent to approximately 70 full-sized cars or 25 adult elephants. Its cargo hold, longer than the first flight of the Wright brothers, is designed to carry oversized payloads that most other aircraft could only dream of handling. Despite its size, the An-225 is far from sluggish. It can hit a cruising speed of up to 800 kilometers per hour. And with a range of 15,400 kilometers, it can fly non-stop from New York to Australia with a full load. The Mriya, which means dream in Ukrainian, is a fitting name for this aircraft. It represents not just the dreams of the engineers who built it, but also the dreams of humanity to conquer the skies and reach for the stars. Though it's not a train, the Antonov An-225 Mriya earns a spot on our list due to its sheer size and capacity. It's a reminder that when it comes to moving freight, the sky is literally the limit. A giant in the skies indeed. But let's get back on track with our number 2. Scene script. Chugging in at number 2, we have Union Pacific's Big Boy from the United States. The Union Pacific's Big Boy is more than just a train. It's a testament to American ingenuity and the power of steam. This gigantic steam locomotive was a marvel of its time and remains a symbol of the sheer might of the railway industry. The Big Boy wasn't just named for its colossal size, but also for the big job it was designed to do. These locomotives were built to haul enormous loads of freight over the mountainous terrain of the western United States. And they did so with an impressive combination of power and grace. These articulated locomotives, meaning their front and back sections could move independently, were designed to navigate the sharp curves of the mountainous west. They were a whopping 132 feet long and weighed over 1.2 million pounds when fully loaded with coal and water. The Big Boy locomotives were powered by 2 massive boilers, each capable of producing over 6,000 horsepower. With this enormous power, they could pull a freight train that was over a mile long. But what really sets the Big Boy apart is its iconic status in American rail history. These locomotives were not just machines, they were symbols of progress, of a nation surging forward on the tracks of industry and innovation. Today, only 8 of the original 25 Big Boys remain, preserved in museums and rail yards across the country. And yet the legacy of the Big Boy lives on. It serves as a powerful reminder of the golden age of steam and the indomitable spirit of the American railway. An iconic symbol of American rail history, but now let's journey to our number 1 spot. Finally, at number 1, we have the longest railway line in the world, the Trans-Siberian Railway from Russia. This colossal railway is not just a single train, but a vast network of connected lines that stretches an impressive 9,289 kilometers or 5,772 miles. That's roughly the distance from London to New York and back again. Imagine this, a train journey that starts in the bustling city of Moscow and ends in the far eastern city of Vladivostok, with the vast expanse of Siberia in between. This is a railway journey like no other, and it's one that connects a myriad of cities across Russia and Asia, making it an essential artery for trade, travel, and communication. The Trans-Siberian Railway is not just about length, though. It's also about the sheer number of people it serves and the vast area it covers. From the Ural Mountains to the shores of the Pacific, it's an awe-inspiring example of how human ingenuity can overcome geographical challenges to connect people and places. In operation since the late 19th century, the Trans-Siberian Railway has stood the test of time, witnessing the ebb and flow of history while remaining a steady, reliable presence. It is a testament to the engineering prowess of those who designed and built it, and it continues to be a vital link in Russia's transportation system. The Trans-Siberian Railway is more than just a train line. It's a lifeline. It connects cultures, facilitates trade, and enables exploration. It's a marvel of engineering, a testament to the power of human endeavor, and a symbol of the incredible distances that trains can cover. So whether you're a train enthusiast, a history buff, or just someone who appreciates the marvels of engineering, the Trans-Siberian Railway surely deserves your admiration. It's a railway like no other, and it's our #1 pick for the largest trains in the world. The Trans-Siberian Railway, a testament to human engineering and a marvel in the world of trains. And there you have it, the top 5 largest trains in the world. We've journeyed from the iron-rich landscapes of Western Australia with BHP Billiton iron ore's ES44ACi locomotives, gargantuan trains that stretch as far as the eye can see, to the heart of Belarus with the BelAZ 75710, a colossal mining dump truck that defies traditional definitions of train. We've soared to the skies with Ukraine's Antonov An-225 Mriya, the largest cargo aircraft in the world, an airborne giant that rivals many trains in its staggering size and capacity. Then, we steamed across the mountainous terrain of the western United States with Union Pacific's Big Boy, a series of mammoth steam locomotives that stand among the largest ever built. Finally, we traversed the vast expanse of Russia and Asia with the Trans-Siberian Railway, the longest railway line in the world, a network of trains that connect various cities across 2 continents. Each of these impressive vehicles and railway systems signify human ingenuity and the relentless pursuit of progress, a testament to our ability to overcome geographical challenges and transport vast quantities of goods and people across the globe. We hope this exploration of the world's largest trains has sparked your curiosity and perhaps even inspired some of you to learn more about these incredible feats of engineering. We're eager to hear your thoughts. Perhaps you have a particularly fascinating train fact to share, or maybe there's another colossal train or railway system that you believe deserves a mention. We encourage you to share your thoughts and insights in the comments section. Your perspectives enrich our collective knowledge and deepen our appreciation of these engineering marvels. Thank you for joining us on this journey. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fascinating content. Until next time, keep exploring.